Makeup by the mirror in her bedroom, thigh-high fishnets and some black boots, nose pierced with the cigarette perfume. Half dead but she still looks so cute. She